Choosing your first hair system can feel overwhelming. Different bases, densities, colors, there's a lot of information to learn. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you will have the essential knowledge to confidently choose the right hair system for your needs. Let's start with the foundation, the base material. There are essentially 4 main categories to look for when choosing the right base. These categories will determine the durability and natural look of each hair system. Monotops are also known as mono silk top. They are known for their durability. But don't mistake mono silk tops for a fine welded mono lace, which are 2 different materials. So the monotops, these bases are good for beginners because they are the easiest to attach and clean with this enclosed poly material around their perimeter. The poly material is often referred to as the plastic or skin perimeter. However, monotops are typically the least natural looking due to the thickness of the base and the amount of hair that they usually can hold. The base is also not very customizable when it comes to size, so most monotops are designed for specific sizes. If you're new to DIY attachments, monotops are often the best place to start. Explore these monotops: M100, M108, M102. Skin or thin skin, made with polyurethane, also known as polyskin. A full skin base, depending on its thickness, can be beginner-friendly and a natural-looking feeling option compared to a monotop. It also provides a lot of flexibility for customizing the size. Skin materials that have a thicker base are a lot easier to clean and attach. However, thinner skin bases, while appearing more natural, are more prone to ripping during attachment and maintenance, making them more challenging to work with. We recommend starting with a thicker skin base before trying thinner options. If you're new to DIY attachments, explore these skin bases: M101, M101V, and M111. Lace is mainly made with French, Swiss, or welded mono materials. Lace has been one of the most natural looking base materials within the industry. Before skin bases were introduced, lace was the primary natural material used, especially in the film industry. Till this day, it is still widely used and known for giving the most natural looking hairlines. Compared to skin bases, it's much more breathable, which is perfect for those living in hot climates or who perspire often. It is also flexible in terms of customizing size. But lace is a delicate material and can be trickier to clean, so it does require a little more practice and care. Full lace bases do require some level of skill with attachments, and we don't highly recommend them for first-time DIY wearers. If you're looking to find out which lace material is best, here's a quick comparison. French and Swiss lace look and almost feel the same. However, French lace is slightly more durable than Swiss lace, which often results in French lace having higher density, more hair, than Swiss lace. Welded mono uses the same monofilament as a monotop. This is where I mentioned earlier not to get confused. But it's fused with threads that create a material resembling a screen door, mimicking French lace. This makes it more durable than French lace and allows for custom sizing. You can explore these lace bases in the M105, M115, and M103. Hybrids are a combination of different materials to provide a blend of realism and strength. For instance, a monotop with French lace at the front offers durability and a more natural hairline. A full French lace with poly on the sides and back enhances durability and simplifies attachment and maintenances, making it a good starting point for those new to full French lace systems. Another common hybrid is a full skin base with lace sections for added breathability. Hybrids are excellent for exploring preferences or transitioning between materials. Explore these hybrid bases: M109, M106, and M158. Now let's talk about the hair. Hair systems typically come in one of 2 hair types: human or synthetic. While synthetic hair is more affordable, it lacks the natural movement and styling flexibility of human hair. For the most realistic look and feel, human hair is the best choice. That's why Super Hair Pieces exclusively uses high-quality Remy human hair from Indian or European sources for all our products. The only exception is for our gray percentages, which are made with durable Japanese Kanekalon synthetic hair. Density. Beginners often make the mistake of choosing a hair system that has too much hair or not enough. Start looking at the growth of the thickest part of your hair after the thinning area. This is a good place to start to determine how much density you need. We recommend going lighter in density if you are stuck between two options. Color. Matching color is key. The best way to do this is by using a color ring, which lets you compare shades directly with your natural hair. And remember, natural hair usually isn't just one flat color. It has depth, so look for a good blend. If you need assistance in choosing color, you can opt for a video consultation with a Super Hair Pieces specialist. They can even send you a few samples closest to your hair color before committing to a hair system. If you still aren't feeling confident in choosing your own hair system, as mentioned before, we offer online consultations where our experts will suggest the best hair system according to your needs. Check it out on the link in the description below. So to recap, pick a base that is easy to work with, for example, thicker skin bases or mono tops. Keep the density natural and match your color carefully. Experimentation can come later once you are confident with attachments and maintenances. With the right hair system, you'll set yourself up for success from day one.